Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the repeat rate on your keyboard on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select the View By up in the top right and select large icons. And then you want to go down and select Keyboard. Now you can adjust the repeat rate by dragging the scroll bar to the left or the right, and that's all you have to do. And then you would select apply and OK to save it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.